Hi guys, it's Mary, and I have got the newest Tonic Craft Kit. And if you've been watching the channel, you know that I don't get them every month anymore. I pick and choose which ones that I want. This is the new one, and this is number 60, and it's called Time Spent with Friends. And it's a really interesting, neat one. So let's get to it and see what we've got. All right, let me take everything out. And then we'll put the box to the side because it takes up so much room. I'm not complaining. Let's get the paper out. All right, there we go. All right, so this time it comes with the folder. I think it's like every 3 to 4 kits, maybe 3. They include the folder in it. All right, so let's get into the die and the stamps because that's going to tell us exactly what this is, because even though it says time spent with friends, I'm not quite sure the purpose of that, what they call it, the title, time spent with friends. And as you can see, it's huge die. Yeah, let me get this out so that you can see. It makes like a little memory album or a card, a more intricate card that's like a big tag. It only has this one. It shows a little bit over here where it has a flap. When you open it up, there's a flap here. So you can do different things with it. So let's take a look at the dies. Let me get... This one says remember. This one I'm not sure what it says. But it has scallop. It has different sizes. It has different little like edges, patterns. Here's the other. Oh, if only I knew what that said. This one says pull me. This one says, I don't know. Maybe we'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm looking to see. These are the same, like this one and this one, but they're different sizes. So this, I'm gonna need the full size ruler. Oh, let me grab it. This big one is good 7.5. And so this edge does not cut on this one. This one cuts all the way. This one cuts all the way. This one does not, and this one does. So, and then this will make the holes so that you can so that you can lace. So the one that doesn't cut has got to be this one here. And it looks like they've cut cut the outside, and then these smaller ones are the inside ones. This one doesn't cut. All the rest do. So you can have different size albums. They don't necessarily need to be this big one. The largest one on this one, it would help if it wasn't upside down, is almost 6 3/4. So they are substantial. This one is a plain edge. This one is, I don't know if you can see, it's got like, it'll like emboss like 3 different little lines. This one's got the sewing. This one is plain. This one's sewing. This one is real pretty. It just has a little pattern with hearts on the edges there. So this is going to be interesting. So let's take a look at everything that it comes with. Oh, we haven't looked at the stamps yet. Let me put this one away. Right, and so the stamps are with family, the good times, those special, with friends that night, with you, those days, with you, those days, with family, the good times, and that night. And so it's got the same sayings, but in different fonts. So depending on, you know, what you're actually making the album about. Oh, life is better. Look, that's what that one says. Life is better. So so see, life is better with you, with family, with friends. All right, so let me put that away. All right, so let's see what else we got. Huge glue pin, large flat tip. Look at how pretty this color is. Sunlit Sienna adds a subtle copper shimmer effect. That is a pretty color. And then dimensional foam pads. I have never tried their foam pads, and they're pretty big. They're 25 by 25 millimeters, 24 squares. Let's take a look at the Nuvo bag. Let's see if this will help us. All right, so we've got, let me get the scissors out. Oh, look at how pretty this color is. We've got Dream Drops in Moroccan Flame. I don't know if you can see the sparkle in it. It's absolutely a gorgeous color. So Dream Drops, add dimensional iridescent details to craft projects. Love that. All right, let's see what else we got. Adhesive tape runner. Oh, this is pretty. This is the ribbon that they used here. Windsor check. That is a pretty. I love the fall colors. All right, that's it for that. Not a whole lot in the Nuvo bag this time, but I am in love with these drops. All right, so let's check out the paper. I always have the hardest time figuring out what is what. So let's see what we can do this time. Oh, there's... Huh. All right, so this is like a very thick vellum, or maybe thin vellum, but there's two of them. Okay, so this is pearl gold vellum. Look at how beautiful that is. Just love that. All right. Oh, there's a lot of paper and stuff in here this time. Okay. And then this has got to be smooth card ivory. 2 of those, no, 4 of those. This copper cosmic pearlescent card in cosmic copper. Oh God, I can't believe how beautiful these colors are. And then this is terracotta patterned sheets. 2 of those. They're the double-sided. And then 2 of the heart pattern sheets. And oh, this is a smooth card in ivory. Okay, so this first one we saw was the classic card in the ivory. This is the smooth. There's 4 of those, and then there's 2 of these smooth card in ivory. And then this is super thick. This is heavyweight construction acetate. So, and it is super heavyweight. And there's 1 sheet of that, so. All right, so these colors are just so pretty. Oh my goodness. You know, they're not only are they like an autumn, but they're also like a vintage. So this would be, make a real pretty, you know, little keepsake album. So, very pretty. So they use this as a frame. That's one of the dies. Time spent. So it does say that you can, where did I see that? Oh, here. Scan that, and they probably have more ideas like using the acetate, you know, what they had in mind for that. Plus they always have different design team people that, you know, post videos, and some of them make the most gorgeous cards and things. So I am pretty pleased with this one. I don't have anything like it, even though I do have like that memory album from a couple of years ago from Crafter's Companion. This seems like it'll make a really cute, you know, a little mini book, or a little, you know, a little flip card. So I'm pretty happy, and I loving the colors. I'm absolutely in love with this Moroccan flame. I don't know if they have anything else in this color, but I'm going to have to look because I'm in love. So, all right, so that's it. Number 60. I can't believe number 60. I think when I started buying them as a subscription, I think I started with like 30 something, or the late 30s, maybe 40. I don't know, but they're at 60 already. That's just crazy. Just crazy. So, all right, that's it. Number 60, time spent with friends. Let me know if you have the kit, if you've used it yet. This one just came a couple of days ago, so haven't been able to do anything. I've been spending time trying to get done with the cards from the event that I did a week and a half ago, which was great. And when I get all the cards done, I'll do a video and show you all of them, because they are pretty, some of them are pretty spectacular. So, all right, that's it. So let me know in comments if you got your kit, if you've used it yet. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, so thank you so much for spending the time to watch the video. I appreciate any time that you have, that you can spend. It means a lot to me. You know, I'm just a little channel. And so it's each one of you, you know, are a blessing. So that's it. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're thinking about it, you can hit the subscribe button. You can hit the bell. It'll give you notifications. You shouldn't be overwhelmed with too many videos. I try to do, you know, 1 or 2 a week. Sometimes I can do more. I don't have any sponsors or anything, so it's not like I'm getting free product that I have to constantly be making videos. Everything that I show, I've purchased myself. So, and that way you know that if I like it, I really like it, because I've spent my own money on it. And if I'm disappointed, I am truly disappointed. So, and I let you know. Yeah, so that's it. If you enjoy the videos, there's the like button, which is always nice to see. If you've had any questions on anything, if there's videos you'd like to see, let me know. You know, I do the unboxings. Then, you know, sometimes it's a while before I get around to actually using the stuff, and, you know, making a card or whatever. So if there's something that you really want to see, let me know, and then I can, you know, bump it up on the list. Yeah, so that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks again for watching.